increasing your holographic memory in 10%. Moving from one reality to another. What's going to happen is they said to me that we're going to start receiving more frequency within the holographic memory of the way we're flickering and we intercepting and perceiving the information from the hologram of everything we see around. And that is the natural state from consciousness itself, because when consciousness is increasing the frequency, it's going to download that information within our consciousness body through the chakras, through the ether platform, in order your consciousness to be able to comprehend now, convert that flickering, shifting of hologram to hologram in a higher rate of a frequency. And when that happens, you'll be able to transform and download information in a different way. That means will be more awareness, more crystallized. When something is presented in the negative, because remember, is reality within the reality, you're gonna see what the negative is doing, but then your perception of flickering and analyzing the hologram that they send you will be in a higher rate for you. You're going to be able to break it down and see through the veil of the deception. You're going to project a situation through synchronicity that you will stop whatever they're doing here. And that is going to be actually an individual basis. We're talking about the hologram, the way we basically going to start converting the imagery that is coming from the 3D, which is a hologram. You're going to convert it now in a higher rate of a frequency. Basically, completely you're going to disseminate it, and you're going to say, oh, I see the layers of the deception that are here. I completely break this down, and I know exactly what to do with this because of what you've been doing. There's nowhere to hide, basically. That's how it's going to be. And that is going to be massive for consciousness itself. Massive situations is going to happen through synchronicities that they're going to try to do something, and yet you're going to see through the veil of the deception.